So this video is just for the people that want to fix the problem, no module named CV2. I found this error very disturbing. Like, I hated this error. And where I found it was actually in this line of code, right here, import CV2. And I wrote all of this code, and it was basically useless because the code stopped here as it was throwing an error because it didn't recognize the CV2. So it just said no module named CV2, and I couldn't fix that because I didn't know anything about CV2. So, yeah. The way I fixed it was I basically went to Stack Overflow and I saw this line of code that worked, and basically it's just installing CV2 into the command prompt so it can actually recognize that there's a CV2 module in your system. So I tried that. The line of code is just pip install opencv Python. And what this basically does is just it installs the CV2 module in your system. So if I click enter, it's gonna load, and yep, I already downloaded it, so it's gonna say requirement already satisfied. So successfully installed OpenCV. That's good. I think it's gonna show something different for people that haven't downloaded it before, but it's still gonna install it. So yeah. And then this is basically for any module. You just do pip install, and this is basically just installing a module. You just have to type in a name of the module. So say like import random. I already have all of these downloaded, like the random module, the time module. I already have those downloaded. I just didn't have OpenCV downloaded for some reason, and it was just throwing so many errors. And I thought of going into the command prompt and typing in pip install, but usually the names of each of the module, the way you install it is going to be the same as the names here. But that was not the case for CV2 because if I just do pip install CV2, it's not going to work. It's loading. Yeah, see, it's not going to find any version that satisfies the requirement for CV2 or something, and that's just because there's no module named CV2. It's basically OpenCV, but we have to write CV2 here for some reason. But yeah, pip install OpenCV Python works. I don't know why they made it like that and just not the original name, but yeah. You can also uninstall OpenCV for whatever reason. It's really easy. It's just the opposite of pip install. Just pip uninstall OpenCV Python. I don't know why you would want to do this, but it's there. You can delete the stuff. Yeah, there. So it's gonna say proceed Y, and I'll just do Y. So yeah, there, it's uninstalled. But I'm gonna install it back because I kind of need it for the future. Oh god, I installed the wrong one. Pip install. Let's go. So yep, it's back inside my system. Yeah, so this is how it should look when you download it if you haven't downloaded it before. So yeah, thank you for watching. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I'll try to make it more frequent as I have holidays. So yeah, bye.